verb and is made up of a verb and is made up of a verb and a preposition or an adverb or both. Okay, it will be a group of words which represent an action. Hobby is the activity that a person does for pleasure when not working. Actual work is not done, but he does it for time pass or during his leisure time. Habit, something that the person does often in a regular or repeated. Tense, a form of a verb that is used to show when an action happened, whether it is present, past or future. So now, what is resolution? A resolution is a personal goal to change unwanted behavior, make a life improvement or to try something new. Okay, so to know about someone's resolution, what do we do? Let's see an example. Here two people are speaking. One is Jonathan and the other one is Jill. Jonathan: hey there Jill, great to see you. Jill: hi Jonathan, how was your new year? Jonathan: it was crazy. We went to New York and watched ball drop in Times Square. Really crowded and loud, but still real fun. Jill: sweet. Do you have any New Year resolution? The same question can be asked in 3 different ways. What are your New Year's resolution? Or what is your New Year's resolution? So there are 3 ways. One is, do you have any New Year resolution? Or what are your New Year's resolution? Or what is your New Year's resolution? Now, how to answer the questions about resolution? In the previous example, we saw that how do we ask about the resolution to another person. Now, how to answer the questions about resolution? We use different methods. One is using phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs, take up, give up, call out, are the phrasal verbs which we use here. And using future forms, that is future tense, simple future tense we use, and then using present continuous form, that is ing. We use ing along with the present tense. Fine. So now let's see the examples. Okay. For take up is like we are going to start a new habit. We are going to take up something, that is we are going to start something. Take up, yes, I do. I plan to take up kickboxing starting next week. I'm excited. How about you? Give up is like we are going to drop some habits. I am giving up chocolate for this whole month. Call out is also similar to give up. I'm calling out chocolates for this whole month. And now with future tense, how do we do? By next month, I will quit a few unhealthy habits. I will quit. That's the simple future tense which we are using here. Using present continuous form. In the new year, I'm going to walk 10,000 steps every day. I am going to, like from now on, I'm going to start and I'll continue this every day. That is the meaning of present continuous form. So these are the different ways in making resolutions and telling it out. To make resolutions, follow the below given ideas. Make smaller resolutions, get specific with your goals, write down your goals, make your resolutions public, because when we make it public, we try to attain it, like we try to succeed with that plan. Plan your follow through, like give some break and check whether you're progressive. Celebrate small successes. Okay. So now let's see a few examples on how to talk about resolutions. First example, I would like to travel to my native. I hope to stop biting my nails. So making small resolutions. I want to move to a new apartment. I am going to start working out more. I will I will speak English. Let's see few examples on making promises. One is I will never lose my temper again. I will try to study hard this year. So these are the few examples and illustrations which we have seen to work with making resolutions. After going through this video, I would like you to go through the e-book provided. Page number 678 have exercise and assessment. I want you to do that so that you will have better understanding over this session. Thank you.